57% of millennials today think that buying their first property is a pipe dream, which in reality isn't. Let's see today what actions you can take today that's going to turn into results tomorrow. We'll take a look together and see how we can help you to get into your first property with AJP Mortgage. My name is TJ. I'm a mortgage broker with AJP Mortgages. I've been with both the blue banks of Canada and past in similar roles. There are so many challenges in Ontario when it comes to buying your first property. It's tough. We understand it's tough, especially around GTA area. It's getting tougher. But don't worry, buying a house with low income is possible. There's so many incentives from government for the first-time home buyers, where you can purchase your first property with as low as 5% down. So far, it was just for $1 million property, but going forward, especially in second week of December, there's gonna be an announcement whereas you can buy a property up to $1.5 million with minimum down payment. There are some home buyers plan where you can withdraw up to $35,000 from our RSP, which is gonna go towards your down payment, which is of course tax-free. So this is RSP is registered retirement saving plan from Government of Canada, which is for, like the name says, for your retirement. But you can withdraw up to $35,000 up from there. It's like a loan which you have to repay within 15 years. There's no penalty. There's no extra tax on that. Next is Ontario's first-time home buyer tax credit, where you get 50% of your tax on your first property back to you as part of tax credit. You also save a lot on land transfer tax with this refund. These programs help you to lower the upfront costs, reduce monthly payments, provide tax saving, and making home ownership. There are lots of other programs too, which government is trying to introduce. We'll discuss again later on another video. So let's take an example where you buy a property with very low down payment. For example, if the property is worth $600,000, the down payment is going to be $35,000 upfront. CMHC comes into play where they insure the mortgage and helps you to buy with lower down payment. This option is available for first-time home buyers only. Now, how do you budget for the home ownership? You should use 50, 30, and 20 rule when it comes to budgeting for your home ownership. You should track your expenses. Make sure there's no non-essential spending. Aim to save at least $500 per month for a year to accumulate $6,000. For example, let's say if a family is living in Mississauga and they have a monthly income of $4,000 after taxes, and using 50, 30, and 20 rule, essentials, necessities should be 50%, want should be 30%, and savings should be at least 20%, which in this example is going to give you $2,000 for need, essentials, $1,200 for want, discretionary, and $800 for saving. Now, you can use additional income to boost savings, but there are various other options like tax returns, bonuses that we get on holiday seasons, which is going to help you to increase your budget for home ownership. Now, let's talk about credit. Why it matters? Because higher the credit score, you get better rates. There are steps to improve the credit. Pay your bills on time. Use autopay whenever there's an option. It helps you to not miss the payments and your credit improves day by day. Try to reduce outstanding debt as much as possible. Avoid new credit application because for every credit check, you lose points. So for example, let's say if Mr. A has a credit score of 700, their interest rate is gonna be around 4% for 3-year fixed versus around 6% for a person with a lower credit score. This helps them save around $300 per month on a $700,000 mortgage. Now, location. When we talk about the location in Ontario, where to buy. Let's say if you check an average price in Brampton, it's around $900,000. If you check North York, it's around $800,000. Whereas if you go to Durham region, you can get condos starting at as low as $400,000. Let me give you an example of Samantha, who we helped close a townhouse in Oshawa for $750K, which saved her almost $400,000 if she would have purchased that in Brampton or Mississauga area. Think about it. Another thing is mastering the negotiation strategy when it comes to buying a property. Let's say first and most important is getting pre-approved. This is gonna show your seller that you're serious about buying the property and making your offer more attractive. Start with a competitive offer, like avoid lowballing. Instead, make a reasonable offer based on your research to establish your credibility. Use comparable sales as leverage, like present data on similar homes that were sold for less to justify your offer, not just to push for price adjustment. You have to build rapport with your seller. You got to understand their motive. Like, are they looking to sell it soon? Are they downsizing? It's gonna help you tailor your offer. You can also request repairs or credit. Use home inspection to do that. We know home inspection can cost you something like around $250 to $300, but again, it's gonna give you peace of mind. They can let you know if there's any structural damage in the property, if there's some repairs, necessary repairs to be made, like roof repairs could be a huge pain in. Next, hire an experienced real estate agent. Like a skilled agent can handle tough negotiation, navigate you through the market dynamics. If you have one, use them. If not, reach us out. We can refer you someone. Why work with us? We have number of lenders to work with. We have experience with low-income mortgages. It's gonna save your time. It's gonna streamline your process. We do residential, commercial, business loans. Finance-wise, you've been taken care of. We have in-house accountant, we have in-house lawyers, CPA, realtors working closely with us, which helps you to streamline every need of your home buying experience. Guidance on hidden fees, how to save more, is what you're gonna get at AJP Mortgages. Moreover, we'll hold hands at every and each step, but in the end, it's your choice. You wanna go with the best or you wanna lose your time and money. There are some resources and tools available online as well. You can just Google first-time homebuyer tax credit. You can check out for home buyers plan, first-time home buyers saving account, which is also called FHSA, GST for new housing rebate, land transfer tax refund, and first-time home buyer incentive. To educate yourself, you can click on the links given below. We have made sure each and every link are available at your fingertips. With all the expert available in-house, we can help you save time, energy, and money when it comes to home buying experience. Make the right choice. Schedule a call today. Use the link given below to reach us out. Thank you.